guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be installing our new fog light bezel covers on a customer's car, and I'm gonna show you guys the product detail. Show you guys put this on. Actually, we did it on Steven's video to showcase the other one, so this is the final production piece, and I'm gonna show you guys some color options compared to the stock and our painted factory ones, and then these new ones. Go into it real quick. You guys see, guys, on the stock we have the cladding, obviously fog lights, no fog lights on the base model. So if you get the limited, premium plus, you get the fog option. So this will delete the fog lights. Some people might not want to, some people will love to. This is a good base model upgrade, but I personally like the fogless delete, so I can put WRX here, put STI, whatever you want, right? So to take this off, the bumper comes off and then we swap it in. A lot of people will be asking about the middle piece, so we have the middle piece available coming soon. So this is gonna be just for the fog light samples. It will be available in color matte or gloss black. Personally, on our car, painted it gloss black, so 100 times better. So this will probably be like one of the last color match parts that we'll be doing on the VB, the final one. Also, because of this piece, I want to show you guys the difference. This is flat, ours comes in. We have a little notch right here, same with the bottom, just to give a little more aggressive. Small little details. Not sure if you guys noticed on camera, but on the blue one, you probably see it more. And then we'll be doing the color match on the customer's car, and then we'll be doing a gloss black one on another customer's car. But just to give you guys reference, we'll change up the whole front, especially right here, and then we'll be deleting all the cladding. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the bumper off, and I'll show you guys how to do the inside in a bit. Okay, so we went ahead and swapped out both by popping off the factory ones and then replacing it with the color match. So like I said, the big difference is the bottom part right here. So this actually set a little bit more than the factory because of the droop right here with the line. But you can see it more aggressive, and you have the vent now, which is super clean. And then we also have the middle piece, which we'll show you guys in a bit. Okay, the prototype, it's kind of broken already, but we're gonna slap it on. That's pretty much it. So straightforward, we just pop off the OEM, pop it back in, there's clips on the back, and you're good to go. Alright guys, we are done with the front. We also added the middle section just to show you guys the color difference. But you can see it looks fully complete, no more cladding, and you can show them our VB. Looks exactly the same in gloss black versus the color match. So gloss black will be available as well as the color match. And then you can also run it without the middle section, but honestly, I think it looks more filled with the middle section versus without. But both options available. We'll link everything in the bio below. We're gonna go across the street and take some photos. Alright guys, this concludes today's video. As you can see, the front end is transformed yet again. Man, I just think that color match makes a huge difference. I know a lot of people will not like the color match. Like personally, I prefer the full gloss black, but everyone got different styles. But if you do put a B2 lip under here, or the new GTS lip coming out, it's gonna look crazy. Jerry wants to put a blue one. I think, no more blue. I think a black grill and a black lip will pop it off. Obviously, he doesn't have the flares in here now, but once you get everything else, it's gonna look crazy. But let me know in the comments below, guys, what do you guys think? Would you go with the gloss black or the color match? Honestly, but you can also run it without this middle piece. But why would you, right? Doesn't make any sense. But we'll link everything below, guys. It is coming off, so this is 3D printed, but the final production will look exactly like this. But that's it for today's video, guys. If you're interested, I'll link everything below, and we'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.